Hey y'all, today I am making the easiest chicken dinner that you will ever make. I've got a stick of butter, just half a cup of butter, and this is some shredded chicken. And we are adding a bag of frozen mixed veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on the side and bring in this little bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuit mix. Don't forget this little seasoning packet. And to that, we're adding 1 whole cup of milk. This is so easy to make. And then we're gonna pour this all over the top. We have 1 more layer, and that is cream of chicken soup. And 2 cups of chicken stock. And that's gonna get poured all over the top. This is gonna go straight into a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Look at how it came out. Looks so amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right into the middle of this. Look at all the chicken. Oh, that is so good.